we move to the next one. Good afternoon in Igbo language. In Igbo language, we call it Dewo, Dalo. That is good afternoon. In Igbo language, we greet it as Dalo, Dewo. When is a group of people, you can say Dewo no. You can respond back with Ndewo no in Igbo language. You look so unreal. I thought it's Ehioma. No, in Igbo it's not Ehioma. Ehioma is incorrect. Ehioma is incorrect. Like, for example, when you see someone like, good afternoon, Mr. Collins. Good afternoon, Mr. Collins. In Igbo, Dewo Mazi Collins. Mr. in Igbo is Mazi. That is another teaching of his own self. But this time around, we are teaching about how to greet. So we have learned something about good afternoon. In Igbo, we call it Ndewo, Dalo, Mobo, Dalone. That is good afternoon. So you can use it as a sample. Good afternoon, Mr. Collins. Ndewo Mazi Collins.